Hello friends, welcome to Information Center, Holiday Home Online Booking for Central Government Employee. Steps how to apply online. Contact to website http://holidayhomes.nic.in. Step 1. Press the button Apply online. Step 2. Apply for booking. Step 3. Filling all details in application form. Step 4. After completing application form, the system subject to availability of room will lead to payment gateway where applicants have to pay booking charges along with convenience charges, transaction charges, service charges reflecting on the screen through debit card. Step 5. After successful payment to be confirmed by the bank, the room will be allotted to such applicant by the system and booking confirmation slip will be generated along with SMS. Note 1. Confirmation slip after verification from the administration of the applicant needs to be submitted at the counter of holiday home. Second, there is no provision for cancellation refund once the applicant has submitted the application. Booking charges and consequently booking is confirmed. Important introductions. First, only online applications shall be entertained for advance reservation for holiday homes where online facility has been commenced. Offline request for advance reservation in such holiday homes will be summarily rejected. Second, serving central government employees can book accommodation 60 days. Retired central government employees can book 30 days. Other applicants can book 15 days in advance from the check-in date. Third, booking will be made through automated online system primarily on first come first serve basis subject to fulfillment of prescribed eligibility time limit and payment of booking charges extras. Fourth, applicants will fill up all field of online applications. They have to upload a color passport photo, a copy of ID card issued by their present employers, and in case of retired employee, a copy of PPO or pensioner ID card. Mandatory field including applicants' permanent account number PAN, Aadhaar card number, date of birth, personal mobile number, office telephone number, extras will not be left blank. After filling up all fields, the applicant has to submit the application form and thereafter the system will lead to payment gateway. After successful payment of booking charges to Directorate of E-States Booking Agency, booking request will be processed as per prescribed procedure and agreement with the Axis Bank, any other bank, confirmation slip will be displayed along with booking ID number. A copy of confirmation slip can also be generated after filling booking ID number and PAN ID card number in the relevant box. Fifth, there is no provision for refund of booking charges even if the accommodation is not occupied or partly occupied or vacated yearly. No correspondence in this regard will be entered. In case of failed transactions, applicants will have to claim to Axis Bank, concerned bank itself, and Directorate of E-States will have no role in failed transactions. Sixth, accommodation is provided for a period not exceeding 5 nights in holiday homes, touring officers, hotels, guest houses at Mussoorie and Goa, which have very few units but attract visitors throughout the year. The period of stay has further been restricted to 3 nights maximum. In exceptional cases, accommodation in cases of this limit can be permitted with the prior approval of competent authority. 7th, 9 a.m. and check-in time 11 a.m. to 12 noon. However, to avoid inconvenience to the visitors who reach the destination early in the morning after night journey, the occupants are advised to vacate the room at the earliest on the last day of stay. Note: please read full terms and conditions available on the website before apply for online applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Information Center and like and share this video. Thank you.